Hello there everyone. Once again you are welcome to my YouTube channel The iCage Classes. Today in this video we are going to discuss about metformin. In this video we will discuss about the usage of metformin, how does metformin works, common side effect of metformin, experts advice for metformin, frequently asked questions about metformin. First of all, we will discuss about the metformin's usage. Metformin is an anti-diabetic medicine that helps to control blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes mellitus. Now we will discuss about the how metformin works. Metformin is an anti-diabetic medication. It works by lowering glucose production in the liver, delaying the absorption of sugar from the intestines, and increasing the body's sensitivity to insulin. Now we will discuss about the common side effects of metformin: nausea, vomiting, taste change, diarrhea, abdominal pain, loss of appetite, etc. Common side effects can be seen. Now we will discuss about the experts' advice for metformin. You have been prescribed metformin to control the blood sugar level and reduce the risk of diabetic complications such as heart attacks. Changes of weight gain and low blood sugar are lesser with the medicine as compared to other diabetes medicines. Hypoglycemia may occur when taken along with other anti-diabetic medicines. Alcohol or delaying skipping a meal. Carry a sugar source with you for immediate relief. Tell your doctor immediately if you experience any deep or rapid breathing, persistent nausea, vomiting, and stomach pain, as metformin may cause a rare but serious condition called lactic acidosis, which is an excess of lactic acid in the blood. Prolonged use of metformin may lead to vitamin B12 deficiency, which may lead to anemia, causing fatigue, pale skin, shortness of breath, and headache. Notify your doctor if you experience any of these, as you may require supplements. Your doctor will monitor your blood sugar level and kidney function regularly while you are taking this medication. Now we will discuss about the frequently asked questions for metformin. First question is, what does metformin do exactly? People with type 2 diabetes are not able to make enough insulin or response normally to the insulin made by their bodies. When this happens, the concentration of sugar increases in the blood. Metformin acts in several ways to reduce the increased level of sugar in blood. Metformin decreases glucose production from the liver and decreases absorption of glucose from the intestine after taking food, while improving the sensitivity of body organs and muscles towards insulin. This helps improve the uptake of glucose from the blood. It also helps your body to respond better to insulin it makes naturally. The another question will be, does metformin cause weight loss? Yes, metformin has been shown to cause weight loss in people who are overweight or obese. It may also cause a modest loss in weight in those overweight and obese individuals who are at the risk for diabetes. In addition, patients who are sensitive or resistant to insulin may also show weight loss. But do not start taking this medicine for weight loss on your own. Consult your doctor for the same. The another question is, what are the benefits of taking metformin? Metformin is one of the first medicine that is given to the patient with high blood sugar level. It helps control blood sugar level. It promotes the body response to the insulin made by pancreas, decrease the amount of sugar made by the liver, and decreases the amount of sugar absorbed by the intestine. Unlike other oral anti-diabetic medicines, metformin, when taken alone, rarely causes low blood sugar as it prevents the pancreas from secreting more insulin. In addition to being a great medicine to lower blood sugar level, it also helps in controlling weight gain. Another question is, can metformin make you sleepy? Metformin usually does not cause sleepiness and it well tolerated. However, the use of metformin may rarely cause sleep disorder and insomnia. Sleepiness may be due to a very serious side effect called lactic acidosis, which particularly occurs if your kidneys are not working properly. Contact your doctor if you feel sleepy or tired while taking metformin. The another question is, how to take metformin? Take metformin with or after a meal. Do not crush or chew the tablet and swallow it with a glass of water. If your doctor has prescribed one tablet a day, prefer taking it in the morning with breakfast. If you have been prescribed 2 tablets in a day, then take one in the morning and other in the evening with dinner. In case of 3 doses a day, apart from morning and evening, you can take it with lunch. Taking metformin with meal will reduce its digestive problem like indigestions, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach ache, and loss of appetite. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you very much for watching complete video.